beginning, trees have furnished us with two of our life essentials. One is food, and second, oxygen. As we evolved, they provided additional necessities such as shelter, medicine, tools,
and most significantly, trees help to curb climate change.
Climate change is a reality and it is impacting seriously in all sectors. It has what we call multiple stressors. It impacts on energy, it impacts on agriculture, it impacts on water, resources, and environment, forestry, and as a result, all hands should be on deck to fight against climate change in the forms of adaptation as well as mitigation.
When we were younger, or when our parents, were here, they told us that, we had 4 or 5 months of rain every year in the Gambia. But we've seen that rainy seasons now, it's only a minimum of 2 months or 3 months. This is a cause of climate change.
Plant a tree, segregate your waste, make biofuel so that you can use it for gas and all that. It's a very easy thing actually. Planting a tree is easy. I do it I planted a tree last week.
Climate change is a very critical thing that we should be concentrating on. It should be situated and centered within our policies, within government policies, within the great conversations and narratives that define our geopolitical and geographical landscapes.
As in the topic of concern right now, which is climate change, which is a global concern as we are right now. We've all seen the effect. It's already started to affect our lives right now. And if you look at if you are fluent with the world news, you can see that at present we are having rising temperatures all over the world, that's globally, rising sea level, which are all effects of climate change. So we have to work together as a team to see how we can at least minimize those effects, if not to stop them completely.
We have gone beyond the point of arguing whether it exists or not. I think this is the time when we should all, join hands in trying to see that, collectively, how do we address the problem.
I think is the Gambian people need to change their attitude towards the environment, because looking at what we are seeing today, there is a lot of deforestation that is going on, and I think we need to go back to the land, plant more trees.
Climate change is in fact significant of a crisis which come from the modern industrial society. This is what climate change is. The only point about climate change is that climate change affects particularly people who are not the ones who are causing the problem, particularly people from developing countries. And this is a very serious issue, because now little means are put at the disposal to try to adapt to the problems that they are going to have or start to already to have, while the producers of these problems are still discussing trying to maintain their monopolies and maintain their production and maintain their economic advantages.
Evidence of climate change is visible to everyone. Sea level rise, changes in temperatures and things like that are all happening. But what could we do? It's not about the West polluting the world and then the West actually compensating the developed countries. But at our level, what can we do? Planting of trees to serve as carbon sinks is one way that we can complement all the efforts in ensuring that we combat the impact of climate change. And equally, waste management practices and the burning of waste is something that we should stop in the country to ensure that our climate system is balanced and equilibrium. But if not, as we continue to pollute our environment and environmental resources and dwindle, we will continue to suffer the consequences of climate change. So in short, what I'm advocating for is the people to change their attitude towards environment and environmental management, manage our waste properly, and of course plant more trees. The population of the Gambia is about 2 million, and that is dominated by a 65% youthful population. That means the youth of this country about 1.3 million, and if 1.3 million plant a tree every year, then in 2 years we will have about 2.6 million trees. So in 5 years we will have enough trees that will carbon sink the carbon emission of our country.